Dr. Montano, Mike, it's Father Scott. I'm hiking along here, Camino, and my leg's holding up all right, I guess. I don't know if you can see it. I got a bandage on it a little bit, but she's holding up. It's been over 600 kilometers. Fact is, it's probably more like 700, and I've been just cruising along, and I think it's a little sore every now and again. I think it's doing fine though, and I want to thank you for the work that you did on it. It's been exactly a year, June 4th today. So, oops, gotta go this way. So, it's been exactly a year, and you know, I'm making it. I appreciate everything you did for me. So peace, God bless, and I'll do a prayer of thanksgiving for you and your family today. Okay, adios.